Hello, why? Welcome to the class. Today I am going to explain methods of training. Before discussing the methods of training, we should recap what is the meaning of training. Training is nothing but increasing the skills for doing a particular task in an organization is called as a training. In other hand, training gives the better knowledge or skills for performing a particular task in an organization is called as a training. So we are all aware of the benefits or advantages of training. Training increasing the knowledge, skills of employees. Training give the benefits to the organization. When employees they are getting the training, they maybe eliminate the unnecessary steps in a production process and avoid the unnecessary wastage of the resources in an organization. So training, it is helps to the doing the work in any employees in organization economically, effectively, efficiently. And training, it is the better way to acquire the knowledge to performing functions effectively. So these are the advantages of the training. So that's why we are give the training in a different modes. So let me know the methods of training. So methods of training into classify two types. Number one is on the job training. Number two is off the job training. On the job training is nothing but learning while doing. On the job training is nothing but learning while doing. So in the workplace, they are performing their functions during that period where give the training is called as a on the job training. So that's why they are calling learning while doing is called as a on the job training. So on the job training consists apprenticeship program, coaching, internship training, job rotation and induction training. On the job training consists all these methods. Number one is apprenticeship program. So apprenticeship programs put the training under the guidance of the master workers such as plumber, electricians or plumber or carpenters. So they are trainees works along with the master workers for a specific period they acquire higher level of skills. So apprenticeship program consists some of the masters who are experts in a particular field. For instance, they are giving either carpenters or plumber or electrician. So whoever holding the good knowledge and expert, these three sectors are field, we maybe give the some trainees. So under them, so they are doing the work and explaining or push up the under the trainees, whoever we are calling a masters of this field. So he is called as a apprenticeship program. For instance, in a best example, in our Indian Railway, they are conducting the apprenticeship programs or apprenticeship training, or KEB conduct the apprenticeship program. Under doing the existing expert or employees. So these are the trainees also gaining the knowledge, and these are the peoples. So he is called as a apprenticeship program. And next one, coaching. So in this method, the superior guide and instruct the trainees as a coach. So in apprenticeship program, they are giving the training along with the worker. But in a coaching, so in a coach or a superior or a guide, he is explaining how to do the work and suggesting how to achieve the periodical reviews and trainees programs and suggest changes required behavior and performance. So in coaching, in the name of the coach or guide, so he maybe give the instruction to the trainee how to do the work. Suppose require any changes or any guidance are required to change the in a performance or behavior of the trainee. So these people, they are guide to trainees. So this is the coaching. It is also under the on-the-job training. So the trainee works directly with a senior manager, and manager takes full responsibility for the trainees as a coaching. So coacher, they give the coaching to trainee in full responsibility. If he requires some suggestions, are required to mold the personality or how to accepting the work environment in an organization, all these guidance to the trainee from the coach under the coaching. So this is the second one, on the job training. And next one, internship training. Next one, under the on the job training, internship training. It is a giant program of training in which educational institution and the business firms, cooperatives, in order to import training to select candidate. For example, in Karnataka government, in cooperative sectors, they are selected the whoever performing a functions, being employees in cooperative sectors. So they are providing a PG diploma in cooperative sectors. So that diploma, just like internship training, how to do the accounting practice in cooperative institution, being a cooperative employees. So likewise, it is a internship training. So people can acquire practical knowledge by working in factories and firms and are able to handle running problems effectively. Internship training, whether MBBS students or BE students or MBA students, so are any existing employees of any organization, so they require some of the extraordinary skills how to overcome the occurring problems in organization. So that's why they are conducting the internship training. So it is helps to the overcome the problems and handle the situation. Being a candidate in any sector, it is also another type of the training under the on-the-job training. And next one, job rotation. It involves shifting of employees from one job to another job, one department to another department, or one shift to another shift. So this helps to the employees learn various skills to do variety of jobs. Suppose we are shifting the employees are shifting the department to department or job to job. He may be getting a different knowledge, different skills for doing a work, performing a functions in effectively. It also helps him to interact with other employees, leading to better coordination between the department, facilitating transfer and promotion of the employees. So job rotation, it is helps to the, if the employees change the environment, change the job specification, and change the people, or different problems arising in a different jobs, he may be holding the skills to lead the or overcome that type of problems. That's why it is also another type of the training, methods of a job training. It is under the on-the-job training, job rotation. And next one, induction training. So it is a type of training given to the new employees in setting down quickly into a job, become familiar with the people, the surroundings. Induction training is nothing but we may be introduced the environment of the organization. We were new employees for the sake of he may be learning a surroundings or situation or environment of the organization and job of the organization or business. So it is also helps to the how to behave the organization, how to doing a functions in a organization, and what are the responsibilities, which are the departments are there, what is the new things for new employees in a organization. So it is helps to the know the surroundings of the environment in a new employees. So these are the methods under the on-the-job training. We are providing the employees to the performing effectively, efficiently, economically in an organization. So because in name itself explaining on-the-job training itself, so learning while doing. So when employees they are performing the functions in an organization under the manager, under the expert. So under the any special programs. So this it is give the more knowledge how to handle the situation or how to overcome the problems or how to lead the functions efficiently, effectively. So these are the comes under the on-the-job training. So next class we will be discussing off-the-job